Hello dear student, welcome to my channel Math from Basic. Dear student, exercise 1b. Let us do its question number 8. Two race cars. There are two cars. One car is car X and other car is car Y. Are at the starting point of a 2 kilometer track at the same time. At any given time, they are at the starting point of a 2 kilometer lengthy track. Car X and car Y make one lap. Car X and car Y make one complete round. So lap here means one round every 60 seconds. Car X make one round in 60 seconds and car Y makes one round in every 80 seconds. This is mean of this sentence. Car X and car Y make one lap every 60 seconds and every 80 seconds respectively. Now we have to find how much time they will take in seconds. We have to find time in second. Will it take for both cars to be back at the starting point at the same time? That there should be both of the car should be standing at the starting point, and how much time will be taken when both of the car are standing at the starting point. In the second part, he is asking us, we have to find how much time will be taken in minutes. Here we have to find the time in minutes. Will it take for the faster car to be 5 laps? That faster car should be 5 laps ahead. Here faster car is the car that takes less time, 60 seconds. Car X takes 60 seconds to complete one round. So he is asking about second car, that is first car, that is car X, that how long it in minutes will it take for the faster car to be 5 laps ahead of the slower car, that it moves further, and it is 5 laps. It means that it become 5 round further from the slower car, that is car Y. Now let us solve this diagrammatically. Dear student, let us understand this by a simple diagram. Time taken by cars to complete 2 kilometer track. These times are given that two cars need to complete the one round. Car X needs 60 seconds to complete one round. Car X start from here and it moves around along this round track and comes here after 60 seconds, while at the same time car Y also start from here. When car X is started, let's see, at 2:45 car X started, and at 2:45 car Y started from here, and car Y also takes 80 seconds to come back here, and this whole track length of this whole track is 2 kilometer, and the cars are making a round circle on this car, and they are making race, and in this way we have to find time to be at starting point. You know that this car takes 60 seconds to complete this whole round, and this car takes 80 seconds to complete this whole round. It means that this car take smaller time and it is faster car, while this car is slower as it takes 80 seconds and 20 seconds more than this car, so it is slower car and it will take a longer time to come here back. Dear student, imagine that when this car X reaches here at first time, this car Y reach up to here only, because car X is faster, so it will reach here, but car Y is slower and it will reach here when X car reaches here. And time passes, and both the cars may continue their loops and continue racing on the round trap until a time comes when both of these cars come here at the same time, although it is slower, and so it will make less rounds, and car X is faster, so it will make greater rounds at the given time, and there will be some time after 250, I think I told 240 or 250, they will come here again. What time will be? We have to find the starting time. If the starting time was 240 when they started their race, then again the time will come when they come here. I think that time maybe 250 or 3 o'clock when they come here again. Let us find that time, how much time they take to come here again at the same time, so that they can start a second race again. Dear student, from the sense of the question and from our discussion, you should know that here is repetition. You know that they are moving faster and faster, and they are crossing this point, and it is a repetition of the same things or same point. You know that as we find LCM is always find out by the repetition of numbers that come in two tables. For example, if we have table of 3 and 6, then 3 3 6 9, these are our multiple of 3 and 6, then 12, then 18 are multiple of 6. Then 6 is repeated. First LCM should be 6 of 3 and 6 should be 6, because 6 is repeating first time in common in both. In the second time it will also common after some multiples. Now here you can think that we will take LCM of 60 and 80, because when their starting time will again starting point will be again same at the same time, then their interval will be repeated. So we will take LCM of 60 and 80 by any method. I will take division method to find LCM, as it is very common method and I love it. It can be used for every number in a minimum time. So 60 and 80, take it here and find the LCM. You will take a prime number that can divide one of these, but 2 is a prime number that can divide both of these. 2 3s are 6, 0 here, 2 4s are 8, 0 here. Now again divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 0 here. Now you see that 20 can be divided by 2, and during taking LCM we can take common as well as not common prime numbers. So here I am taking not common prime number. 2 can divide 20 but can't divide 15 by 2, so we will take 2 as well, because in while taking LCM we can take common number as well as not common number. So divide 20, leave 15 as such, and divide 20 by 2, you will get 10. Now again you can see that 10 can be divided by 2 and leave 15 as such. 2 5s are 10. Now 15 can be divided by 3, so 3 5s are 15 and 5 here. Now dear student, both of these 5s can be divided by 5 with the same prime number. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. These are the prime numbers that will give us our LCM, and they will give us starting point. As we have taken 60 and 80 in seconds, so our LCM will be in second. To be time to be at starting point, that will be our LCM. So we will write here LCM is equal to, write these 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 5. Now make a group so that you can calculate it easily. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 here. Make a further group. 3 5s are 15. Now multiply these 16 and 15. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 5 and 3 makes 8. Cross the first one. 1 6 are 6 and 1 1s are 1. Add these 0 here. 6 and 8 makes 14. 1 and carry makes 2. 1 and 1 makes 2. So 240 is our answer. That is in second. This is the answer of our first part. Dear student, now we have to find time taken by the faster car to be 5 laps ahead, and this time should be in minutes. So we will convert this our LCM into minutes. To convert this into minutes, we have to divide these seconds into these seconds by 60. As we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so we will divide it by 60. 60 you know that when 240 is divided by 60, read the table of 66. 6 4s are 24, write 4 here. 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24, remainder is 0, and 4 is our answer. It means that now our time is 4 minute. Our LCM is 4 minute. It means that when 4 minute time has passed, then both of the cars are at the starting point, and car X is one loop ahead of car Y. Then time is passed 240 seconds or 4 minutes, then car X is one loop ahead of car Y, and both of these are at the starting point again, and they are starting their second race now. First race car X has won and car Y has lost, and now they are starting second race, and it means that car X has passed one loop further, or it has covered one loop greater than car Y. Therefore they are at the same time at the starting point, and that same time both have spent, that is 240 second or 4 minutes. Now we have to find time taken by the faster car to be 5 laps ahead. As we know that time taken by the faster car to be 1 laps ahead is, time taken by the faster car to be 1 lap ahead is 240 second or 4 minutes. So time taken by the faster car to be 5 laps ahead will be 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20. That will be 20 minutes. I think you will be fully understood about this question. Thanks for watching. Take care.